we have discussed about the tribal society and the main topics in tribal society, like the definitional problems. So definitional problems we have covered, and then we have discussed about the colonial policies with respect to tribe, and in connection to that we have discussed about the issues of integration and autonomy. Okay, and one topic which I have left out there is actually the geographical spread. So here you just need to know which tribes are located in which area. That's it. Okay, and you won't find questions basically from this topic in your sociology paper. But just quickly see what are the different tribes in the different areas. That is actually your geography topic only. So in the context of geography, for sure you should be knowing this. You should have this information for geography paper, for prelims as well as for mains. Mainly for prelims. Every year prelims, you will get one question from tribes for sure. In that, one will be related to the geographical aspect. Okay, these introductory sentence we have already discussed. As per some estimates, tribals are concentrated in about 15% of geographical area and constitute about 8% of population. And we have discussed that India is having more tribal population than many countries, except if you compare it with the African or Africa. And there are, okay, this is 595, right? That I have edited in the previous one, but in this it is not edited. There are 595 notified tribes under Article 342, and there are many more sub-tribes also. About 85% of tribal population lives in central India. Chhattisgarh, parts of Maharashtra, and Andhra Pradesh form the heart of this region. Of the remaining 15, over 11% is in the northeastern part of India. So mainly where the tribals are there, central part of India and northeastern part of India mainly, and leaving only little over 3% in rest of India. So while Vidyarthi has suggested a 5-fold classification on the basis of their geographical spread, Dubé have suggested a 4-fold classification, and different people you will see, Roy and Berman, also make a 5-fold territorial classification. So these, in general, you can say all these different classification, in general, you can divide into these 5 classification that we have listed out here. The northeastern zone, okay, Himalayan region, central or middle zone, and then western region and southern zone. So this should be already knowing to you, for most of you already. So when we discuss about northeastern zone, so the Northeast comprising 7 states, okay, like all these states will come. And then main tribes that live in these areas, very difficult for you to remember maybe, but for geography point of view, you need to remember all. Abhor, Kuki, Mismi, Khasi, Garo, Naga, etc. Most of them belong to Mongolian category. Himalayan region, it includes the tribal areas of Ladakh, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, northern part of UP, okay, and major tribes in these area, Lepchas, Bhotias, Gad, you can read this. Most of them are also belong to Mongolian part. Central or middle zone, it includes West Bengal, or from there onwards it will start. That's the maximum. West Bengal, Orissa, okay. And when we discuss about Santal rebellion, it will be coming from here only, okay. Bihar, southern part of Uttar Pradesh. So, okay, these are regions. Just go through this. And tribes in this area: Bhumija tribe, okay, Gonds, okay, Ho, Dhangar, Oraon, Munda, Santal rebellion. Okay, Mundas are also very famous, and you're studying this in history. Gonds, okay, they primarily belong to Proto-Australoid stock. Western region, it includes Gujarat, Rajasthan, that part. So the tribes include Bhils, Gracia, etc. And they also belong to Proto-Australoid stock. And the southern region, it includes entire south part like Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so now Telangana, it will come here, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, that main 4 area, and also Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep. So the tribes are Chenchu, Toda, Minicoys. Minicoys are basically from Lakshadweep. Jarawas are Andaman and Nicobar, Irula, Kadar. 2-3 names you should always try to remember anyway. And they have a mix of Negrito, etc. Proto-Australoid is actually a mixed category. So if we look at the share of tribals in the state population, then the northeastern states have highest concentration, with all states except Assam have concentration of more than 30%, and some like Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Mizoram, and Nagaland with more than 60% and up to 95% of population. So that is actually the concentration in that particular state, and that is high in northeastern part. Okay, so that's about the geographical spread. Just go through this. In case in a typical situation, if the question is asked 1 or 2 times, the question is asked directly from geographical tribes or geographical spread of tribes. So if they ask, it will be 10 marker, and this content is enough. This is nothing sociological. There is no sociological perspective or anything involved here. That topic, if the question is asked, it will be geographical spread of tribes. So you basically can write only the geographical location. Okay, so this is what you need for that particular answer. Otherwise, from the chapter of tribes, the main question which is expected is what? Mainly you can expect a question on definitional problem. And when we discussed about definitional problem, we have discussed about tribe, caste, continuum. Okay, so you can expect a question on tribe, caste, continuum. That means different tribes are at the different levels of assimilation to the Hindu system. So that we have discussed for that many different thinkers, GS Guri we have discussed, okay, different categorization we have discussed. That is one potential question. Second potential question is related to the colonial policies. Okay, and then connected to that, you can get the third question, that issues of integration and autonomy. So we have discussed about policies of isolation, policies of integration, policies of assimilation, etc. So we have seen the problems in integration and autonomy also. So that's the one topic which I have missed out over there.